Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Techno49. I hope everyone is safe. In today's video, I would be talking about how we can calculate the seasonality index in forecasting. So that is very important in forecasting. So this video will clarify all the doubts in terms of how we can go about it. So before proceeding with the video, I would request you please subscribe, share, like this video so that video can reach to maximum people because it is completely free. So now let's start with the video. So now you can see that I have data in front of my screen. So the question is then below is the data given for 3 years, quarterly and sales wise. We need to calculate the seasonal index for quarter three, which is highlighted in yellow. So these are the years. I have 3 years, 1, 2, 3 for all of these 3 years. And then we have sales. On the basis of that, we have to calculate the seasonal index. Before calculating the seasonal index, we need to find out the sum of all the sales, what kind of sum we have. So now let's quickly find out this. Simply select it divided by number of data points we have. Data points mean that for how many period we have that sales data. So it is 12. So we can simply use the formula of count and then simply select it. Bracket close. 77.17. Instead of doing this, we can simply calculate the sum of all of these sales divided by 12 because we have 12 data points. So now let's come to the seasonal index, how we can find out the quarter three seasonal index. So the simple formula would be your 74 sales we have in first year of third quarter divided by the total sum of all of the sales. So that would be your 95.90. The same way we have to done for other quarter three data for all of the years. 77 divided by 77.17. The same way we have to done for third year of third quarter. That would be your 75 divided by your 77.17. So these are the seasonal index of all of the three quarters of the 3 years. Now, what would be the average of all of these things? So we have to apply the simple formula of average. That would be your 97.62. So this would be the seasonal index of all of the quarter three for all of the 3 years. Now, another way to find out, so we have to select the average of all of the three quarters. That would be a 74, then your 77, then your 75. So this would be the average of all of the three quarters. And after that, we have the sum of all of the sales, 77, and the formula would be your 75 divided by 77. So now you can see that we have the same details what we are getting here. So thanks so much again for watching the video. Please subscribe and share.